In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use private email on Namecheap. To get started, the first thing you need to do is make sure your domain is properly connected to your private email service. This is important because your email won't work correctly until the DNS records are pointed to Namecheap's email system. Once that connection is in place, you'll be able to create your mailbox, set a secure password, and access your inbox through webmail. Begin by logging in to your Namecheap dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, open the private email section. Here, you'll see the domain connected to your private email subscription. Find the correct domain and click Manage. On the management page, scroll down until you see the option to create a mailbox, then click Create Mailbox. Now enter the mailbox username, which is the part that comes before the @ symbol in your email address. For example, you might use something like info or support, depending on the purpose of the inbox. After that, create a strong password for the mailbox. Make sure it's secure and something you can store safely. You'll also choose how much storage to assign to that mailbox. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. At this point, your mailbox has been created. Next, you need to configure the DNS settings for your domain if they are not already set up. In your Namecheap account, go to the domain list and click Manage next to the domain you want to use. Then open the Advanced DNS tab, scroll down until you find Mail Settings. From the drop-down menu, choose Private Email, then save your changes. This automatically adds the required mail records, including MX and SPF settings, which are necessary for sending and receiving messages properly. Keep in mind that these changes may take around 30 minutes to fully propagate, so if email doesn't work immediately, give it a little time. Once your mailbox is created and the DNS records are configured, you're ready to access your inbox. Go back to the domain list in your Namecheap account and find your domain. Click the small caret next to it to expand the related services, then select Log into Webmail. When the login screen appears, sign in using your full email address and the mailbox password you created earlier. Be sure to use the full address, not just the username. After logging in, you'll be able to send, receive, and manage your emails directly from Namecheap's webmail interface. And that's how to use private email on Namecheap, from setup to webmail access.